Okay, now that we've got a basic code within the form, okay, so we've got it to start and come up like this, we want to actually get it to do something. So we want to click on start, stop, select random, and spin, and so forth. So that's what we're going to be doing over the next few lessons or tutorials. Alright, so the first thing I wanted to do is when I click on start, right, I want it to get the information from the balance, right, I want it to clear the marquee, clear the memo, right, clear it, use the information from the spins, and then put the numbers into the memo and into these three marquees. Alright, because there's three of them here. Okay, so that's what I'd like to do next. So let's see if we can do that. First thing I want to do is to make sure when it starts it automatically selects random. Alright, so when you click on run, it automatically has it set to default to random. Alright, so I go to the unit, I go to the events, and I'll click on random, this one here, grab this one, properties. I want to grab the name, right? Copy. Go to the form, go to the events, click on activate. Or on show, either or. Okay. So here, paste in the button, press the dot, and then we can see the list of actions that we can use with the radio button. Okay, and I'm looking for checked. Checked equals true. Okay, let's see if that works. See, it comes up checked. Very simple to do. Okay, by default. Okay, really easy. Save it. Now, so that's checked. Now we want it to clear the memos. Memo 1, Memo 2, Memo 3, and Memo 4. Okay, so when we click on start, it actually clears all those areas. So double click, right? I'll go back to design. Okay, grab Memo 4, grab the name. Okay, copy, just copy and paste, that's all it is. Copy and paste, code. Here we are on button 1 click. Paste it in. Memo 1, dot, and then you can press here, just look for clear, like so. Okay, now since we know what the other three are, which is Memo 1, 2, and 3, we just copy it. Change numbers to 1, 2, 3, like so. Click on save it. Oops. Save it all. Then run it. Click on start. And you can see that the memo, this memo is here, and this memo here is clear. Okay. Next thing you want to put in is some information into the memo. Right? So let's do that. Okay. So we're grabbing Memo 4. Okay, because that's what the this one here, which is Memo 4, right? So we go Memo 4, just copy it, copy, dot, and you go lines, then dot, then add, like so, okay, like it. Then we grab the edit field, which was this one here, right, grab the name, edit balance, like so, copy it, code it, paste it into there, put a dot there and add in text, like so. Memo 4 lines, add edit 1, edit balance, text. Okay, click on save, then run, start. You can see we've added in the text. You can also notice that we can actually type into the document, right? But we don't want to do that. We want to make sure that document we can't write to at all. So we'll go change the design a little bit, go back to the memo and change it so we can't write to it. And we do that by read only, change it to false. True. True, sorry. So now you can't write to it. Save it, run it. Now you can't type to it at all. Okay. So we'll type in 3000, start. You can see that we've added in this one here. Next thing I want to do is when I enter in numbers into here, into the edit fields, right? Fairly simple to do. So let me go ahead and do that. So I've clicked on the balance, and I've added in a new function, and I'll show you those. So the new function I put in is called in array. Okay, it's in array, and what it does, it checks to see if a certain thing is inside an array. Let's see if I can explain how this works. So here's in array. In array I dash underscore r. In array I array there. Boolean. Then we go see your result equals false. Looks for the high bound, this particular thing here, and it's just looking for a particular thing in this array variable, which is k, right? So where is this used? Where is this function used? Okay, used quite a bit in a lot of the tutorials I've done. I use it mainly in edit fields and other areas as well. So here I have in the very first balance key, which is this one here, right? Events, edit balance, right? So here we are. I've added in here, if not in array, right? Then we've got the key, which is the keyboard characters, and we're only having in the keys that we want, okay, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the decimal point. And then we've got 8 and 9 here. That is for the backspace and the delete key, okay? And I'll show you, and then we've got it here to set focus onto the next edit field, which is spins. All right, so let me show you how it works. So here we are in the balance. We type in 200.36, okay? Hit the enter key and it goes into spins, right? If I tried to type in hello, or type in any other like BB, it won't work. Any other text, it won't work. It only accept numbers 4 and the decimal, okay, like 35, 4.36. Click on start and you can see 4.36 right there, okay. And we want to do the same for all the spins. Okay, so in order to do that, you just copy and paste. Copy it. Okay, go to the next one, which is spins. Right, paste it in like so. We remove the decimal point because I'm not going to use that in spins. Okay, and we set the focus to red. Copy this, copy, change the focus to edit spins, to edit red, like so. Edit red. Alright, so let me show you how that works. Now there's a slight difference. Remember we took out the decimal, so we go to, make sure we save it, run it. Here we are, 1000, type in 3.3 and then type in 10, like so. If I typed in 10.4 it wouldn't work. Backspace and delete. See that? 10 point, see, as soon as I press the decimal key it does something else. Alright, and I just go ahead and do the other edit fields. So just copy, basically the same, it's all pretty much the same. Copy, paste it in, and paste it in the next one, paste it in the next one, paste it in the next one, and paste it in the last one. Now we just change the set focus. Okay, we were at, where are we? We did spins, didn't we? Okay, spins goes to red. We want red to go to black. So we just copy black. Copy. Double click. Paste it in. Just like that. Okay. We want to change this one to dozens. Like so. Copy it. Paste it in. Like so. And then we want to change this one. Change the L to medium. Change this one. Paste it in. Change the L to high. And then the last one, we want to go back to the edit spins button, or balance button. Okay, so we copy the balance, copy, and we change this one, paste. Okay, save it, run it, sure it's everything working, so hit the enter button and everything's working just like it should be. Awesome, really easy to do.